William! Hey, buddy. Do you know what today is? Why, yes. It's International Cat Day. So, since your family is overseas, I guess I gotta sing you a little International Cat Day song. Yes, and we'll do it in a foreign language. Are you ready? Are you ready? I know you are. Guillaume, c'est vrai. Aujourd'hui is International Cat Day. What do you say? Would you like to play? Bien sûr, it really is International Cat Day. And you're a kind of worldly little feline. Woo! I had to do it in French, because, Paris 2024. Oh, William, will you be in the breakdancing competition? Yes. Okay, Guillaume. À bientôt.